Welcome to science class. In this class, I am going to explain about plastics, types of plastics and uses of plastics in the chapter polymer chemistry. Almost everything around us today is plastic. We have seen water and oil in polythene pouches. In the past, people used to drink milk, oil, and other liquids from a shop in vessels made of materials such as metal and glass. Think about what the containers, buckets, mugs, chairs, and tables used in the past were made of. What do we use today to make many of these products? Plastic as a material has been taken over and replaced the metal and wood which were previously used. Plastic have also replaced many glass items. If we continue to write the list of everyday items that are made of plastic, it will be endless. Why is plastic so popular? What are the different uses of plastic? What are the various types of plastic? Let us now learn about plastics. Plastic has been around for less than 200 years. Edmund Alexander Potts was the creator of the first plastic called Parkinson. Plastic have helped us to make advancements in technology, building, healthcare, transport, and food safety. Plastics have completely occupied our life because of their characteristic qualities. Plastics have many positive qualities such as lightweight, strong, and they can be molded into complex shapes. They are also flexible and waterproof, and some plastics are even UV resistant. Plastics are also cheap and convenient for us to use. Uses of plastics. There are different types of plastics that are excellent materials when they are used for the right application. For example, let us take a syringe that is made from a type of plastic called polypropylene. These syringes do not have to be sterilized and reused. Hence, they provide a high standard of hygiene and eliminate the risk of spreading diseases. It is estimated that every year we use a trillion plastic carry bags, 2 million a minute around the world, and out of which only 1 to 3% are recycled. Types of plastics. The plastics we use in our daily life are also made up of polymers. All plastic do not have same type of arrangement of units. In some articles, the arrangement of a monomer is linear, and in some other items, the arrangement of particles is cross-linked. Depending on the type of arrangement, we have two main types of polymers, thermoplastics and thermoset. Thermoplastics, polythene, also called polyethylene, is example of a plastic. It is used for making polythene carry bags, which are commonly used. When we burn a polythene carry bag, it melts and turns into liquid along with the production of an offensive odor, a bright flame and shoot. Another example is a PET, polyethylene terephthalate bottle. When we fill it with boiling water, it gets deformed. Plastics which can be easily softened and bent when heated are known as thermoplastics. These plastics can be modified and turned into another plastic item through the process of recycling. Thermoset plastics. There are some other plastics which once they are molded cannot be softened through heating them. These are called thermosetting plastics. Bakelite and melamine are some examples of thermosetting plastics. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches and handles various utensils. Melamine resists fire and can tolerate heat. It is used for making floor tiles and fabrics that resist fire. Here, thermosoftening or thermoplastic is shown here. So, this is tangled polymer chain, no cross links between chain, weak forces of attraction between chain, so softened when heated. Here, thermosetting plastics is shown here. In thermosetting plastic, polymer chains held together by strong covalent cross-linked bonding does not break on heating. So, it remains hard when heated. Students, I hope you have understood about plastic. Thank you.